Walking to the water. He's eating a king cone. Let me know down below if you like king cone. It's the best ice cream ever.
Let me know what's your favorite ice cream.
Oh, that too. Subscribe while you at it. There's a little hill right here. Wow, there's a lot of people in the water. Look at that.
It's so cold.
You gotta see the waves. Yeah, it's really cold when you're like out in the sun for a long time. And there's a lot of seaweed too. I heard it's good for something. Let me know down below if you know what it's good for. Look at that. It was cold. That'll be funny if my phone fall in the water. We Puerto Rican, by the way. You Puerto Rican? Let me know. Get closer. Hey, hey. Woo. Let me I can see what I'm talking about. These waves is no joke. Oh, I like that. You see what they're playing? Let me move up the camera. What is that? Woo. Look at all that seaweed. You see that black spot right down there? That's a lot of seaweed. Wow, look at this. I'm scared to drop my phone or even wet it. Get a little closer. Woo! Look at that.
Mommy, look.
What?
Mommy, look.
Oh, you're biting it. What are you doing? Okay, boo. Ice cream. These waves try to knock me down. It ain't happening. Woo! Okay, it's wetting my phone. Hold up. Look at that one. Woo! Look at the seaweed. Alrighty. Guess I'm trying to get in the water. It's hot out here. I need to cool down a little bit. Don't forget, like and subscribe. By the way, this is Beach 98 for Rockaway, Queens, New York